like two.
You know, when you're just down and stuff and someone hits a guijo that you like, it will get you up. When it was cold, we used to sing. Gets you warm, you all get together and you start clapping and singing because we used to change outside because we had no changing rooms. And when we sing together as a team, you feel that togetherness. I remember when I was playing my first test, he was my coach and then I played with him. He sent me a voice note of some of my old teammates from the township when I played my first game for the Springbok. Mama zomthini lo mntwana ndifuna zibhokop mama ndifuna menza. It means like mom, what I want to do with this child, I'm gonna make him a Springbok, and that made me really happy. Yeah, I love it.